about 40 containers from the Liberian vessel which has sunk on May 24th has reached the coastal areas of Kerala, especially in Kollam, Alappuzha and Thiruvananthapuram districts. 34 of these containers has reached various parts of the Kollam coast. Now, till last night, the authorities were informing that in whatever containers that had shown up, most of it were empty, or in other containers which had products, it was mostly paper rolls and stuff like that. But this morning, they have noticed certain packages which has come in wrapping, like in white sacks, which is kept there. So they are ascertaining what is inside this that is happening. More containers are expected, more stuff is expected to show up across the coast of Kerala in the next couple of days. That is what the authorities are telling us that they are expecting. But at the same time, they are also saying that the people of the state should be very careful, especially in the coastal areas of the state, because people shouldn't go near, because there are some hazardous material in this vessel which has sunk. So that is something which is of great concern. The warning to the people is that they should stay away, at least 200 meters away from these kinds of products. They shouldn't go near it, they shouldn't touch it. At the same time, another concern is the oil spill that has been noted, and from the spot where the ship has sunk, it was moving in the northwest direction. So this is mostly towards the southern parts of the state, the coastal area. So these are the major concerns that have been raised. The remnants that has been found here, the company has appointed another company to salvage this and to do the environment protection. So that is being done at the moment. But how are these containers going to be taken back from here by road? It doesn't really look possible, because the coastal area, the roads are small, so bringing in big trucks and things to lift this will be difficult. So it will be mostly by sea that they will be taking away these remnants.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV 18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.